Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 C300 4MATIC coupe. This one's gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have a diamond style grille up front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch AMG 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A red interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back. We've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of AMG floor mats. Alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, brushed aluminum trim, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a push start ignition, touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a rear view backup camera, navigation, a nice wood center console, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C300 coupe has 16,233 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 coupe, check out feldmanimports.com.